In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw Sol from your Binance to your Exodus wallet. If you have some Solana in your Binance and you love to withdraw it to your Exodus wallet, what you need to do now, just wait for this to load up. Okay, what you need to do now, go to your Exodus wallet, click on receive. If you click on this Solana now, your address is going to come out. So click on it to copy your address, go to your Binance, click on send, click on second option, come on here, type in Solana or just type in Sol, click on it, paste your Exodus wallet Solana address here, click on this, select the second option, enter the amount of Solana you want to withdraw from your Binance to Exodus wallet. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.